Hey guys, it's Megan Maria, and today's video tutorial, I'm gonna make a short video tutorial on how you can create a storybook for kids, AI storybook for kids inside of Artistly. So I hope this video helps for you. So without any further ado, let's go to my computer and let's do this. But wait, before that, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so that everyone can learn something, especially if you are new to Artistly and you want to create your first project using AI storybook for kids. And if you have any questions, don't forget to write down the comments and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go to my computer and let's do this. Alright, so now we are here in Artistly and I'm gonna show you guys a short tutorial on how you can create an AI kid storybook. Just a simple tutorial so that you can follow with it. Okay, so without any further ado, let's do this now. Okay, we're now here in Create Design, so we're gonna click this one. And then you're going to choose, which designer that you want to. So let's choose the Fast AI designer. And as you see here, guys, I know you already know this. There is an AI storybook studio here. Click this one. So I'm going to use the script to storybook. Okay, I'm gonna click this one, and then here we go. We're going to create a new story. All right, so I'm gonna click the new story, and here you will see here you can use your reference photo. If you have a reference photo, then you can just click this one and browse into your computer or choose in the library, or you want to use the AI character, which is the Artistly. We're gonna create your own character. So I'm gonna use this one for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm gonna use the AI character, and then over here you have to paste the story script of your book. So I already prepared or create a storybook. So I'm going to my ChatGPT and I already create this Piggy Learns to Share. So in this tutorial, I'm going to create a Piggy and a Muddy Mess. You can ask ChatGPT, like I'm gonna show you guys my prompt. Maybe you want to use it or you just change a little bit. So I want to create a storybook for kids about Piggy, and that's all for my prompt. And then ChatGPT give me a short story for Piggy. Alright, so this is my story, the Piggy and the Muddy Mess. So all you're gonna do is just to copy all of this until the moral of the story, because I asked ChatGPT to to include the moral of the story. So what we're gonna do here is just to copy this one, and then we're going back to Artistly and we're going to paste the script here. Alright, so after you copy paste the script, let's go here and set your dimension, which is the 3.4, which is this one. Okay, so click this one, and then your book title. You're gonna type the book title here. What's the book title? Piggy and the Muddy Mess. Okay, so I'm gonna type here Piggy and the Muddy Mess. Okay, so it doesn't matter, guys, whatever book you are creating, just type the title of the book over here and type my name, the author name. Okay, type your name here, and there you go. That's it. So this is the only thing you need to fill up when you want to create a script story for kids. Okay, so once you finish with this, alright, so now just click the generate and let's wait for seconds. Alright, here you go, guys. So you will see here, guys, that the image are generating on your personal design, and let's wait for seconds until it generates all the images. And if you don't like the images, guys, then you can just click this eye and then regenerate the design. Okay, so just play around with this, guys, but I think I like the images that I'm seeing right now. There you go. Okay, so once we finish this one, is as you see, guys, it's all generated. So we're going to here is the title of the story of this. What we're gonna do with this, guys, is we're gonna make it a flip book to create AI storybooks. Okay, so here down here, once you finish all these images, you don't need to create you don't need to click here on the top. You're gonna go here, you're gonna click here. Okay, so click the AI Studio Storybook. So once you click this one, then you're gonna see this create a flipbook. Okay, if you click this one, guys, you're going back again to the beginning, which is the setup, the first one that I did. Click here so that you can create a storybook. Okay, so once we finish all of this, we're gonna click create storybook and select the story. We're gonna click this one, and as you see, guys, all the story are selected. Create a flipbook, and then here we're going to set other kinds of things that you want to. Okay, set in English. So if you want to set to other language, just choose the language that you want in here. So I'll just leave it in English. Select the voice. Okay, if you don't want to select a voice, it's okay, you can just leave this one, but for this I'm gonna select the voice. So I selected one of the voice. So browse and build in, I mean the template. So you can choose the template that you want, or you can just leave it like that, just plain white. Okay, let me see this one. I'm gonna choose this one, and then we're gonna choose the front cover. Choose from the library, and you will see here, guys, the front cover is over here. So just click this one, and then you will see the front cover will pop up here. That's all you need to do, guys. And if you have a back cover, then you can just browse into your computer and upload it. But if you don't have a back cover, that's okay. Okay, then you just choose from the library. If you have a back cover, it's all up to you. Okay, you can click this one and then choose the back cover of that book into this images if you want to. Okay, so generate a flipbook. Okay, now it's generating. As you see here, guys, it's in progress. So all you have to do is just to wait for a minute. Then after that, when it's ready, it's gonna be like, you will see this green, and then you can start reading. You can watch the video if you want to, and then you can now start downloading in KDP, which this one, now download your KDP manuscript. So let's wait for seconds and let's see how it looks like. All right, so now we're finished with this. You see, guys, it's already ready to read. And then if you want to convert it to video, then you can convert it. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys also how you can convert it to video. All you're gonna do is just to click this one and wait for the video to process. But while waiting for that, okay, let's read the story and let's see how it looks like. Just click this one, and then you will see here the storybook. All right, there you go. This is the front cover, and then I'm just gonna put this one.
One sunny morning, Piggy the piglet loved to play outside in his favorite spot, the playground. He especially loved the big, squishy mud puddle near the swings. Splish, splash, splosh.
Okay, so I'm not gonna finish all of this story, guys. So I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks like when it finished. So here you go. Here are the pages of the book. This is going to be your interior, your manuscript inside of this. All right, so this is how you create a story inside of AI Storybook Studio. So it's a simple tutorial. So if you have any question, guys, just let me know down the comments, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. And while it's still processing the video, the download for your KDP manuscript is already here, so it's ready to download. And if you're ready to upload your video into KDP, then just click the download button there, and then you can upload your your book to KDP. And if you don't know how to do that, I have a video tutorial on this. I think I already posted it into our Facebook circle, and I also have my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna put the link in the description so you can watch that on how you can upload your storybooks that made from Artistly into KDP. Okay, so if you want to see the video over here, guys, I'm gonna wait for a second, and I'll show you guys how it looks like when you convert your book into video. All right, so now it's finished, guys. So let's watch the video and let's see how it looks like.
One sunny morning, Piggy the piglet loved to play outside in his favorite spot, the playground. He especially loved the big, squishy mud puddle near the swings. Splish, splash, splosh.
Alright, so that's how you can create a video, guys. If you wanna use this watch videos, click this one and then it will convert it into video. Alright, so I hope this helps, guys. So if you wanna know how to use Artistly and how to create an AI storybook using Artistly, here's the short tutorial for you guys. And if you have any question, just let me know. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And for those of you who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video so that everyone can learn something about it. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And always for all my subscribers, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.